Natalie flyGIRL Kelley and Fly Alyssa. Oh, we have to wash our hair for this?
Our mini museum of artifacts from around the world. Everything from witch doctor headdresses to snake skin. It's this international work that has led to the 2 Nobel Peace Prize nominations that we've had.
We found ourselves at this last year. We kind of went to that FBO and begged the woman to let us walk through. We don't work here.
Oh, they just stuck us in the back room.
Yeah. Good to see you.
20 pilots, only told you about 2 of them. Natalie was actually involved in the 3rd one.
So I'm Bret Heinrich. I'm the President and CEO of Wings of Hope.
And I'm moving to Belize.
It's really a miracle taking place every day, and he wants to fly.
What are we doing with the float plane?
Yeah.
Tonight, 462 of our closest friends